5 solid reasons why you should switch to Telegram and make it your primary messaging app as someone looking to leverage on their smartphone to make money online. Yes, if you are currently leveraging on your smartphone to profit from the internet money gold mine, then you need to switch to the Telegram app right away. And in this video, I am going to be giving you 5 solid reasons why you need to make that switch right now, like immediately. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachel Owodaily and I'm a digital marketing consultant. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online using just your smartphone. Yes, how to leverage on your smartphone to make money. And recently I realized that a lot of people are so scared of using WhatsApp, and I wonder why. Like, we are so comfortable with WhatsApp. This makes me remember back then when BBM was like the in thing for messaging, and when WhatsApp came, a lot of people were skeptical about WhatsApp. Like, I am not going to leave BBM for anything. And you know, along the line, we started getting used to WhatsApp. By the time BlackBerry stopped producing phones, and we didn't have any choice than to, you know, make that switch and start using WhatsApp. Exactly, that is what I'm saying currently happening right now. A lot of you are so scared of Telegram, or maybe Telegram looks complicated to you. I don't know, but I'm here to give you 5 solid reasons why you need to switch to Telegram right now, especially, like I said, if you are looking to leverage on your smartphone to make money online. Anyways, guys, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by one more time. I love you and I appreciate you. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, well, I just want to let you know that you are going to definitely love it here. So make sure that right now you tap on that subscribe button. Yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel now before you forget. And don't forget to tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you are the first to know. Finally, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? I am very sure you're getting value already, so do not forget to like this video. And finally, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Do you even have the Telegram app installed on your phone? What is your thought? I would love to read from you, okay? So please drop your comments right under this video. Do you have Telegram? Do you not have Telegram? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll really love to hear from you and read from you. Now let us proceed with this video, okay? I'm going straight to the point as usual with my videos. Now, 5 reasons why you need to make that switch right now. Reason number 1, unlimited server storage. Do you know what that means? Let me explain it to you if you don't understand what that means. What that means is that with Telegram, you don't have to worry yourself with my phone memory is full. You know, like when WhatsApp will tell you delete some things, my memory is full, blah blah blah. With Telegram, it is not like that. You have unlimited server storage because everything is saved on the server, okay? So you don't need to worry yourself. Even if you lose your phone or you mistakenly delete the app, all you have to do is download the app again and all your messages are back without doing any form of backup, restore like we do on WhatsApp. Now, what is the advantage of this to you as a business person? It means you never lose any chats with any customer, with any of your prospects, with any of your clients. So your chats are secured on the server, on the cloud server, okay? That is reason number 1. The reason number 2 is this. On Telegram, you can have a group with up to 200,000 people. I mean, that is mind-blowing compared to WhatsApp, where, you know, before it used to be just 250, but right now I think you can now have a WhatsApp group with 500 people. But then compared to 200,000 people, I mean, that is crazy. So that means if you want to run a campaign, for example, and you want to drive crazy number of leads, you don't have to stress yourself with creating multiple groups like you would do on WhatsApp. All you have to do is create just one Telegram group and you are good to go. Because why? With Telegram, you have the opportunity to have a group with 200,000 people. Guys, can you beat that? Can you seriously beat that? Now, let's go to reason number 3. Reason number 3 is this, guys. You can have a channel with unlimited number of people. Yes, on Telegram, you can literally have a channel with unlimited number of people. Like, you can have 1 million people in that channel, and you basically control the people that post and you basically control everything, which is awesome and mind-blowing. And guess what, all of this is on cloud storage, remember, so you don't have to get worried that okay, maybe you lost your contact or whatever, and then you're losing all those people. No, 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 no. You don't have to worry about that. That is reason number 3. Now the reason number 4 is this: for those of you that love BBM, that's Big Brother, sorry, it's not Big Brother, BlackBerry Messenger. BlackBerry Messenger. Sorry about that. So for those of you that used to love BBM and you're like, I don't want to share my contacts, I don't like sharing my contacts, this reason number 4 is really going to excite you. Do you know why? Because with this particular way, on Telegram you can have a username and you can chat with people without necessarily giving them your number. So all you have to do is just give them your username, and then they can search for you on Telegram with your username, and then they chat with you. So if you don't like, you still want to keep your privacy, I don't want to share my number up and down, Telegram gives you that, which can't happen with WhatsApp, because with WhatsApp, if you don't have the person's number, you cannot chat with the person, meaning there's no privacy. Okay guys, let's continue. Reason number 5 is this: you can use Telegram bots and have Telegram bots run your groups for you. For example, say you want to hold a group for training and classes and all that, you can literally set up a Telegram bot that does all that hard work for you, and you just set it up and you don't have to do all those stress. And guess what, for absolutely free, there are so many free bots that you can use on Telegram to make life easy for you, and you don't have to do much. So tell me, why have you not made that switch? Why have you not made that switch? Bonus reason number 6. I know I said 5, but the reasons are really so much, but let me just give you guys this one bonus. The bonus reason number 6: you can actually have live video chats or audio chats on Telegram. It's just like you're on Zoom, okay? You can even share your screen, share slides, do presentations and all of that on Telegram, which you do not have on WhatsApp. And for the reason number 5 I gave for bots, you don't even have the opportunity and the privilege to use bots on WhatsApp except you're using a paid bot, okay? So these are the reasons that makes Telegram why I think if you're looking to leverage on your smartphone to make money, you should really switch to Telegram. Now there's another bonus number 7, but before I give you that bonus tip number 7, I want you to give this video a thumbs up if you're yet to do so. Make sure that you like this video. Yes, let me see your comment as well. So far so good. Did you enjoy this video? Are you having a rethink about Telegram? I want to really hear from you. Let me see your comment right under this video. Then finally, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you have watched this video up until this point, I hope you know it is wrong. Yes, it is very, very wrong. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you are definitely the first to know. Now, before I still give you reason number 7, I want to also say this very important thing. Okay, I am organizing a boot camp called the Internet Money Boot Camp, and it is starting very, very soon. As a matter of fact, it is starting any moment from now, or maybe as by this time you're watching this video, it has already started. But don't worry, you can still join. Just find the link somewhere under this video to join. Right now, it is still free to join. So provided you take action, you'll find the link in the description of this video to join the Internet Money Bootcamp, and I'll see you in the bootcamp. Now for reason number 7. Yes, reason number 7, bonus reason number 7, because I'm going to give you 5. You can actually schedule your text. Like you want to chat with somebody, maybe the idea popped into your head in the midnight, you want to send them a message and you're like, I can't possibly send this message by this time. It will make me look like I'm desperate or whatever. And during the day, you might be busy, okay? What you can do is type that message and schedule it and say, you know what? Send this message to this person in 2 days and Telegram is going to do that for you. Can you beat that? Can you schedule messages on WhatsApp? I don't think so. Anyways, guys, I hope I've been able to confuse. Sorry. What was that? I hope I've been able to convince you, yes, convince you and not confuse you that as someone looking to leverage on their smartphone to make money online, you seriously need to be using Telegram, and you do not need to be scared of using the app, because some people literally told me that they are scared of using Telegram, that what is Telegram? Why can't you use WhatsApp? Because the Internet Money Bootcamp, for example, is going to be holding on Telegram. And some people are telling me, Mandy, why can't you use WhatsApp? I know WhatsApp. We love WhatsApp. I'm like, yes, I know I love WhatsApp, but Telegram is so fun, so easy, and so cool. So please, don't be scared to use Telegram. And like I said, if you would love to join the Internet Money Bootcamp, find the link somewhere in the description of this video and make sure you are in class. Until next time, when I come your way, keep being amazing, and remember, I am definitely rooting for you.